So, quick update. I had a transmission leak, narrowed it down to the tail shaft, and yeah, it was just popped out pretty good. So, got another tail shaft in, verified that didn't leak by idling it over giant sheets of cardboard. Pro tip. Now, with the fresh cardboard down, I saw a coolant leak, which led me to the thermostat housing eventually. So I have it on here. What happened is this guy, I stripped that one out somehow, and I think it's because I dug up these bolts. So I think the engagement just was that terrible. Yeah, looking back, it's not that great of an idea, huh? So I only had a few threads. I probably could have left it alone and just blasted a longer bolt in, but I took it apart and I thought about studding it or nutsert, or I bought a nutsert tool and everything. And now I wanted to make sure I had all of that stuff to make this decision, understand? Because I see what's going on here, and I thought it would be funny to take throttle body bolts like these studded guys. Well, this isn't a studded one, but you understand. Here's one. I had extra throttle body studs. So I am screwing them in, and it should also help me line that thing up without attempting to strip these out, because it doesn't want to go into that area for you to put the bolt in, and the AC compressor's in the way, and the tensioner bracket. And anyway, I hope some of that makes sense. I am going to stud this thing and hammer on it and see how much easier and faster and better it seals. Pro tips at 2 a.m. Okay, so I did install the water neck stud kit, and the threads were not good enough, and when I tightened this side down, it just pulled them out anyway. So I fast forwarded to doing this like $6 or $8 helicoil kit. It worked amazing. Super happy. I got those to tighten up nice, and then I just threw the bolts on and held down the Spinny Boy Sidewinder 3/8 Milwaukee, and it just stalled out against those, and I pulled a little, and it was feeling like it's not going to come apart and leak like a piece of filth. So I'm going to put the coolant back in it and see if it leaks overnight, I guess.